Psalm 27, reading today from the Common English Bible, verse 1. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Should I fear anyone? The Lord is a fortress protecting my life. Should I be frightened of anything? 2. When evildoers come at me trying to eat me up, it's they, my foes and enemies, who stumble and fall. 3. If an army camps against me, my heart won't be afraid. If war comes up against me, I will continue to trust in this. 4. I have asked one thing from the Lord. It's all I seek, to live in the Lord's house all the days of my life, seeing the Lord's beauty and constantly adoring his temple. 5. Because he will shelter me in his own dwelling during troubled times. He will hide me in a secret place in his own tent. He will set me up high, safe on a rock. 6. Now my head is higher than the enemies surrounding me, and I will offer sacrifices in God's tent, sacrifices with shouts of joy. I will sing and praise the Lord. 7. Lord, listen to my voice when I cry out. Have mercy on me and answer me. 8. Come, my heart says, see God's face. Lord, I do seek your face. 9. Please don't hide it from me. Don't push your servant aside angrily. You have been my help. God who saves me, don't neglect me. Don't leave me all alone. 10. Even if my father and mother left me all alone, the Lord will take me in. 11. Lord, teach me your way. Because of my opponents, lead me on a good path. 12. Don't give me over to the desires of my enemies, because false witnesses and violent accusers have taken their stand against me. 13. But I have sure faith that I will experience the Lord's goodness in the land of the living. 14. Hope in the Lord. Be strong. Let your heart take courage. Hope in the Lord.